are so many fun projects that you can make when you're using product like vinyl or suede or faux leather, but let's be honest, they're a little frustrating to work with. When you're using your regular metal presser foot, it causes drag on the fabric, and this just can cause issues with skipped stitches or just making it look messy in general. But there's a special presser foot that will eliminate this drag. Stick around and I'll tell you what it is. Hey everybody, Trisha here with Sewing Parts Online. So here it is, the solution to your problem. This little foot is the non-stick presser foot. It can go by other names such as Ultra Glide foot or Teflon foot. This foot is made of a special resin that makes sewing of sticky fabrics, like I said, such as vinyl, faux leather, suede, and even plastic, easy to sew. This foot is also great for slippery fabrics that tend to want to get away from you. This particular snap-on non-stick foot has a wide opening. This will allow you to do a large variety of stitches, ranging from a straight stitch to any stitch that requires a zigzag. You can also use this foot as if it was your general purpose zigzag foot. Oftentimes you can get a straight stitch foot or a zipper foot made with this same special resin. When working with these tricky fabrics, in addition to using your correct presser foot, you also want to make sure that you're using the correct needle. For the suede, I suggest a Microtex or a sharp needle. The sharp needle will also work well for the vinyl. With the faux leather, swap out the sharp needle for a leather needle. Depending on the thickness of your fabric, you may have to try different sizes. I usually start with a 14 and see how it goes. Can you think of an area where this presser foot would be handy? Let me know in the comments. Also set your stitch length at a medium to long option, such as 3 to 4 millimeters. This is important because if the stitches are too close together, the fabric will become perforated and easily tear at the seam. Another tip, instead of pinning your fabric, use fabric clips, like Wonder Clips. These will hold your fabric pieces together without leaving any holes. These particular materials show holes and they don't disappear. This is an over-exaggeration, but it's a good demonstration to show you what I mean. Since you can use the non-stick foot in place of the regular presser foot and it solves issues with fickle fabrics, it is such a great accessory to have in your sewing room. Until next time, happy sewing everybody!